Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So this is what I say in all my videos, just to introduce myself. So yeah, in today's video I will be unboxing my November Bellabox, and it's getting so hot here. And why I am dressed up like this, just because we are going to movie world, and we're gonna go later today. So yeah, I have just applied a little bit of makeup and some lip gloss, and it's not a lip gloss but it's a tinted lip balm. So yeah, we are ready, but we are waiting for my husband to come, then we're gonna go. So yeah, I might be vlogging too, so I think so, but it's so hot here, like it's already summer from yesterday. And I will be like just sharing what I got in my November Bellabox. So the box as usual comes like this. It's a blue box, and if you guys don't know what Bellabox is, it's a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 sample size to full size products. So you actually get 2 to 3 full size products sometimes, but others comes as sample size. So yeah, let's open. So as usual, there is a card which has all the details of the products at the back, and this month the card looks like this. Online beauty master classes introducing, yeah, bringing the IRL beauty master class experience online at just $24.99. Wow. Master celebrity beauty tips and tricks at home. Learn the eyes 3 iconic celebrity looks. Pay once and enjoy. So you pay $24.99 to this website, then you enjoy all these features. If you are new to makeup, it will be fun, but I'm here, I'm doing makeup since 2009. So I completed my diploma in 2009 here in Australia. So I started my work that time. But like if you are new, then this is very good. So the first product I can see here is this Steve Laurant's lip tint. So this lip tint looks like this, and it says lip gloss here. I think it's a glossy lip tint. And let me oh, the packaging looks so cool. It comes in a glass jar like this, and this one is in shade cherry. Oh gosh, it looks absolutely stunning. And the color looks like this. It's just so handy for this kind of weather, summertime. So I mostly wear lip balm or lip gloss. So yeah, this one is so handy. Like this one is a tinted lip balm, so I love to wear this a lot. It's by I think Pixie. This highly pigmented creamy lip tint by Steve Laurant is an extra special treat that will last from AM to PM. So this is a 24-hour, I think. If you apply, it will last for 24 hours, but I haven't tried, so I don't know. So it says it will last for AM to PM. So yeah, and you will get Dusty Rose Nude Pop Cherry. So I got cherry, or some of you must have got electric pink. A nude pop would be great too, but this color I like it too. So yeah, this one is the full size product, 3.5 gram. I think it's a full size, yeah, and retails for $31 at steveLaurant.com. And let's move on and see the second product. So it's a ESSIE Treat Love in Color. is this one. So what is this? It's a ESSIE Nutrient Love and Color product. Is the perfect combination of nail care and color all in one step. So with 60% less peeling off and 35% less breakage, this ESSIE product is your answer to damaged nails. And you will receive one of the following: Tinted Love, Cheer to You, Treat Me Bright, or Leaven Daily. So 13.5 grams retails for $17.95 at odobeauty.com.au and also Priceline pharmacies. And this one is in shade, I have got no idea where to find this, but this is like a nail color, and the color looks really cool. Should I open? Yeah, I should open. Oh, cool, but it's like kept in this packet. So this is the color. It's really cool. I love it. This is a summertime color. So yeah, it's so hot. Oh my gosh. So let's move on and see the next product. It's this Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Lotion. So it has very high protection sunscreen, 50 plus. Wow. So it has 12-hour moisturization, a touch of mango and papaya. So this has also 4-hour water resistant, and it is non-greasy, and it will give that silky feel to your skin. So I am so desperate to try this product now. And 180 ml of this product retails for $16.95 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. And I will be definitely getting this product just because I need this for my family. So let's move on. The next product is this Daily Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner by Dove. So it's a Dove Nourishing Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner with Pro Moisture Complex. This duo by Dove will immediately smooth the outer surface of your hair and deeply nourish your hair from within. Hair is silky to the touch and easy to manage every day. So I haven't tried much of Dove's product, so I will definitely be trying this shampoo and conditioner, and like if I like it, I will definitely be buying it. So this product only retails for $6.89, and that's quite a lot of product. It has 320 ml. So the last product is this Juicy Couture fragrance. So this is this fragrance. This is a sample size. So in the world of Juicy Couture, if I'm saying it properly, but I have got no idea, designer fragrance making a statement is all about saying Q. I don't know how to say that. O-U-E. So 100 ml retails for $120 and available at Priceline and selected pharmacies. And okay, it looks like this in front. This is the name, if you can pronounce. So let me just smell this product. Such a cute sample bottle. Oh gosh, I think I will put it all today. Oh gosh, it smells so good. So yeah, this was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys are using any of this product, do leave me a comment below. If you want me to review any of this product, do also leave me a comment below. I might be reviewing it, but yeah, if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe. It's totally free, and hit that bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And yeah, if you guys know, my girls Eliza and Isha, they are now having separate channels. So Eliza is already uploading videos on her channel, and Isha is trying her best to upload, but I'll help her out. So yeah, I will link my both girls channels link below in the description box. Do subscribe and support their channel too. And yeah, I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.